Work is expected to take place on Debbie McGee's mansion in the next few days after the latest flood caused a lot of damage to her Berkshire home. Debbie McGee is said to be facing her second evacuation in just 1 month after flooding from the River Thames caused thousands of pounds worth of damage to her £3 million home in Wargrave, Berkshire. Pictures of the former Strictly Come Dancing star's home, obtained by Mail Online, show her property under around 4 feet of water after the Thames burst its banks last week. The chaos has reportedly caused the presenter's home to be without power and many of her items to be destroyed. Debbie, 65, is now said to be living in a nearby flat paid by her insurance as the latest damage gets looked into. A friend of the former Strictly finalist told the publication, "Debbie's had a terrible time. When her home was flooded in January, the water went very quickly and just as she finished all the work to sort things out and get herself straight, it's flooded again. But this time it's a lot worse. There's a lot more damage. Much of the inside of the house has been destroyed, particularly the ground floor, and there's no power. She can't live in it, but the insurance company have been very good with helping her out." Debbie's home is where she shared many years with her late husband, magician Paul Daniels, who died in 2016. Due to previous floods, she had installed a pumping system in a bid to avoid further damage. But the latest high level of water overpowered it. According to Debbie's friend, work to try and dry out and repair her belongings is expected to begin over the next few days in the hope that she can move back in within a month. A resident in the area added of the situation, "Debbie is a very big part of our community and what's happened to her house is very sad. But we are all supporting her. She's gone through a difficult time, but so are a lot of other people." Sadly, flooding is happening more regularly and is having a big impact on our lives. Express.co.uk has contacted a representative for Debbie for comment. On February 29, gov.uk issued a warning that property flooding could be expected in the area. They shared, "River levels remain high but are falling on the Thames. Isolated property flooding, in addition to flooding of low-lying land and roads, is expected, especially in the Bassmore Lane, Bolney Road, and Loddon Drive areas. Further rainfall is forecast in the next 48 hours and into the weekend. River levels have stabilized and reached their peak.